Welcome to the Cleveland Way, a journey of contrasts across North Yorkshire's stunning landscapes. 109 miles of adventure weaving through the wild heather moorlands, running across the edges of hilltop escarpments, through the ancient woodlands and forests, and along dramatic coastal cliffs. Half inland and half by sea, this national trail really does showcase some of England's most breathtaking and beautiful places and a wide range of biodiversity. Join me, my brother and my best mate as we take the Cleveland Way on, following the guidebook, chapter by chapter, step by step, laugh by laugh. Chapter 1. Helmsley to Sutton Bank. Woodland, valleys and the gently rising limestone slopes of Hambleton Hills set the scene for the first section of the Cleveland Way. Culminating in the dramatic escarpment at Sutton Bank, overlooking the Vales of York and Mowbray, this is a gentle introduction to the varied terrain ahead. Whatever the season, the flora and fauna is varied and colourful, with perhaps a chance to glimpse a buzzard or an adder, or to enjoy the wide range of flowers in the woods or hedgerows.
Yeah!
However you travel to Helmsley, you are sure to end up in the market square where the Cleveland Way begins, at the dominating Faversham Memorial in the middle of the square. Check out Helmsley Castle if you have the time, but we've been sat for 9 hours and really wanted to get walking. We'd spend the next few days following this acorn symbol, the sign for the National Trail.
Hiya.
Hiya.
With just the three of us alone in the wild for a few days, we'd have to find ways to entertain ourselves. We'd play a lot of rock, paper, scissors.
Day. Mileage.
Going for a long one.
Me to run back and get
Freeway Rocky.
it. Freeway Rockies.
Ah, yeah! Bye.
No?
Yeah, off you go. You don't have to run. Hide. Oh. Hello.
Also, I like the free trees.
Yeah, they're very nicely placed, aren't they? This would make a tough par 4. If you had the green just
the other side.
you see where that little mound is? Tee boxes here.
Trying to go through a gate together is a weird tradition of my walking mates, and we'd do it a lot over the next few days.
Yeah. Go. Hey,
Nice.
yeah.
and finally after a few miles would reach the escarpment and get our first views.
Bank bench. So
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Carved into the hillside, the white horse of Kilburn stands bold against the North Yorkshire moors. The chalk figure is 300 feet long and has watched over the land since 1857. Sadly, it was too windy to get my drone up and have a proper look. The visitor centre is well worth checking out, with amazing information on the wildlife, the history and the geology of the area. The interactive elements are fit for all ages. Learn how river systems work or study fossils under microscope. And of course we left via the cafe. Chapter 2. Sutton Bank to Osmotherley. For most of this next stretch of the Cleveland Way, the route follows the edge of the escarpment at around 1,000 feet above sea level, and little direction is required. If the weather is good, this is one of the finest walks in the country, with fantastic views stretching for miles in any of the 3 directions. Watch out for red grouse, and if you're walking in August, enjoy the unique scent of the heather on Black Hambleton. The gloomy weather made good atmosphere in the woods, but tomorrow's forecast looked promising and had us in high hopes.
Right.
It was nearing the end of the day and we were looking for somewhere to set up home and get dinner on.
Nice.
And with 3 full bellies we hit the hay, until woken up by song thrushes the next morning. Well, some of us. With the other 2 still asleep, I thought I'd get an eye in the sky and preview what today might bring. The escarpment would have us at the mercy of the wind, but grouse shooting boxes like this would offer us occasional shelter and time to take breaks.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Crazy. If it was clear day, I bet you can just see so far.
Yeah, no, I do agree. Whereas you end up having a pavement.
Yeah, and it's like it's a big.
occasionally they drop off the moors through towns and have a chance to speak to some lovely local people.
Yeah, we're doing the whole thing, yeah.
Have you done it before?
No, it's our first time. Sorry, I record, I hope you don't mind. Just...
No, you're welcome.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Have you done it yourself?
Hard, really hard. It's just because time. I've got
Yeah.
things to do. But I have done, the one I've done is Staithes to Runswick Bay. And Staithes, obviously, you know, Captain Cook and all that. And I've done the other bit, Filey to Scarborough.
Okay.
Because you can catch the train back.
Well, that'll be our last day, pretty much, just before Scarborough to Filey. So. Get an e-bike or something. Yeah. Well, take care.
Well done, guys. Looks heavy, those.
Yeah. Cheers, mate. Bye. What a nice man.
These squeeze-style gates were tough to navigate with our bags.
Talking to... Oh. Knows your answer. Is that the church bells?
They are.
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock. Hiya. Sorry. You could do. This one looks busy, doesn't it? Put our bags up against this wall here.
Milk chicken burger.
Oh, you know.
Yep. And then do I want anything else? No. I did realise, but.
Thank you very much. Well, good. Yeah.
Sandwich?
Oh, yeah, amazing. Thank you very much.
I'll be back with the chips.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
Just whatever. I just don't know. Oh, amazing. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That makes
Complaints. Really tight. Hello, sir. What was your name and what did you have for lunch?
My name is Alex. I had the chicken burger
Nice.
and chips.
And how was it?
The chips, best chips I've ever had. Unbelievable.
What's good about
Unbelievable. The crispiness with the fluffiness. The balance was just right. Even the crispier ones were like more fluffy. Make that make sense.
Nice.
Chicken burger, 10 out of 10. Best I've ever had. Unbelievable. Succulent, juicy, saucy, crispy. Ooh. Yes, please.
Good stuff.
Give me a second.
My hero. Osmotherley has a 12th century church built on an Anglo-Saxon site, which I wanted to check out. But 2 drinks and tired legs can make a boy a bit silly.
That door's well squeaky. Embarrassing.
You can't swear in the church.
Sorry.
Anyway, back to the trail. Chapter 3, Osmotherley to Claybank. This was probably my favourite section of the inland half, but it was a bit of a slog with some tough climbs.
Right. Ready for chapter 3?
Yeah.
Okay. The walk so far begins with quite easy and gradual ascents and descents, and many long stretches of almost level terrain. But now the work begins.
Great. Can't wait for that.
The trail largely follows the top edge of the escarpments of the Cleveland Hills, with no fewer than 5 stiff climbs and 4 steep descents.
Good fun.
Provided the weather is kind, this is one of the most satisfying sections of the Cleveland Way, with a variety of scenery only lacking in sea views. Long stretches of this section have been paved with large flat flagstones which make for easy walking on the flatter areas.
Okay. I can't wait for that.
Should we go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'd like my video.
Don't know where that clips though.
Thank you very much. Easy, look at that.
Nice. Thank you.
That's okay.
Nice. There were a lot of gates on this path, and it's important to remember the countryside code.
What's up?
Oh, no, not.
Little squeaker. Need some WD. Got it.
Use a shutter. Yeah, baby.
What is it called?
Scarf more.
Scarf Wood. Scarf Woodmore, mate. Scarf Woodmore. Would you more? Should be nice and open the thingy for this bike man.
Yeah.
Which way is he going though? Is that he's going up? Go on then, hold it for him. Woo! Sorry, we're pressuring you now. Are you going that way? Are we going right or left? Left, okay, it's fine then. That's all right, no worries. Take care, man. One at a time through the gate, though.
Yep.
Sorry, 3.5 left.
Yep.
Oh, 3.5 to a shower. Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah, you've got loads of room. There you go.
Nice.
It's nice and warm.
A Ford? Oh, wild garlic. We can pick some garlic for dinner if you want. Yeah.
Little bowlsy thing.
Yeah.
One of the fat ones, I'm guessing.
Any will do, mate.
Yeah, the fatter the better.
Yeah. Just sort of spread out obviously as you go. Oh, can't even breathe.
We took breaks every few miles to get water on board and rest our legs. But up on the moors you really could stop anywhere. The views were long and distant in all directions.
Nice. Oh, wow. What a spot.
Oh yeah, baby. Really?
Wanna? Yeah, wanna. Thank you.
We finally reached our camp.
Recording.
Yep.
Throw it out.
Takes you in the fire.
Can you pass me the black thing?
Get out of the way of the video. So
Yeah,
don't
innit?
make
You
yourself
are
useful.
muppet. I feel like you're recording.
Good job.
Get on them garlic, please. Get on them on there.
Day 3 followed the same routine with a bird alarm clock and me being the first up. Lordstones takes its name from a small stone circle which sits on the hill nearby. The cafe at Lordstone knocked up a lovely breakfast, which we weren't the only ones to enjoy.
Time is 10:17.
10:17.
Late start.
Hour 45 minutes later than yesterday.
Oh well, we're off. That way.
Sheep, sheep,
Baba.
sheep, sheep.
Baba. Yeah. Stick your finger out to face this way and no. That's it. There we are. That's where we're camping.
Campsite. Oh, sun's really bright in my eyes too.
Oh.
Hello, that's where we're camping.
Oh my god, I don't even have the energy to hold it open.
We were approaching the Wainstones, and the short scramble up it was well worth it.
Yeah.
Oh, what little spot this is.
Good hustling, bro. Good stuff.
Claybank was just a mile away, but it seemed silly not to stop here for a minute and take all that view in. Chapter 4, Claybank to Kildale.
3 more. Oh. And then we go to west per mile.
Ready for stage 4?
Yes, I am now ready for stage 4.
Nice. We're about to ascend to the highest point within the North York Moors National Park. Some effort is required as you will be climbing from 755 feet, 250 metres at Claybank to 1,489 feet, 454 metres at Round Hill on Urra Moor. A climb of 734 feet. Which, to be fair, that's the accumulation of probably what we've just done there anyway. Do you know what I mean?
But that was accumulation. It was a big
It's in
push.
one go. Once on Urra Moor, however, you can coast gently downhill to Kildale. You'll walk a short distance along the track bed of an old mineral railway that connected the ironstone mines to Rosedale with the blast furnaces of Middlesbrough.
This was another beautiful section of the walk, and the weather was really on our side.
A table?
Here's the table.
It could be a table. Oh, bouldering map. That makes so much more sense.
It's actually full of torture. Carry it.
Yeah, it's worth it for the fun though.
Right.
Take care.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bouldering map.
Yeah, it's a suitcase.
Suitcase. Well, it could have been a suitcase. From a distance. From a distance, it looked like a washing machine.
Hello.
Hello.
Stretching wild and untamed, the Yorkshire moors carries stories from present day to ancient times. In this amazing sun, the colours come alive and the breeze carry the songs of birds and the scents of heather and peat.
What info you got for me?
A lot of info.
Always loads of info. Okay. Adders, merlins, different lizards, short-tailed voles, wood mice, lapwings. I love lapwings. They're well cool.
Black wings.
Lapwings.
Lapwings.
I don't know, I hope we can see the sea. Pretty high, aren't we? Here we go. Oh, wow, what a spot. Back to the path now.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty cool burial mound though. You'd like to be buried here?
Yeah, I think that'd be quite cool.
Yeah.
Nice shoes.
No, yeah, not bad.
Nice shoes. Get cold in the winter.
Cold in the winter. Yeah.
And action, killing it. Strut that stuff. 1,
You strut
2,
it.
3, 4. What's that?
Nice. You got your catwalk.
Oh, yeah.
What are you going in for? You going or he's already in on the blue ribbon? Good.
Uh-huh. Do you reckon, yeah, do you reckon if you screamed, the birds would fly away?
Depends how many birds there are.
Depends how loud you scream. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
I sort of saw him in here somewhere. Oh, hello little man. Wow. Good spot though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you've seen a lizard.
Yeah. Was it a lizard?
Yeah, it was 100% a lizard, yeah.
Shoes off. Much more like revitalised, and lifted compared to yesterday.
Have you?
I think yesterday I was still very knackered.
I was
But
more
my-
glum yesterday than I
My
am today.
sleep last
Sure.
night.
No. You got to lock it, G. Nice.
Where? Over there? Yeah, all the way over there. That far one. That's nice.
Pretty nuts, isn't it? Started all the way over there. Whoop. Very soon passing a dedication on a stone pillar to 4 young airmen who lost their lives after their plane crashed here in 1941. Although they survived the crash, they died of exposure before they could be rescued. Lucky dip then.
No looky looky. No looky looky. Ooh, red.
Oh,
That's not a bad one.
nice. You're up.
Also red.
Red! Yay! Yay!
Wave. Hello.
Hello!
Yeah.
Yay, a wave! Another car. So many things happening. Should we go?
Yep.
Hello, bee. What sort of bee are you? Oh. Oh, that was cool. Just photos of the landscape, or are you bird watching?
Oh, bird watching.
Bird watching. Have you seen much?
Ring oozle.
Ring oozle's nice. Oh, enjoy.
Thank you. Enjoy your walk.
Thank you.
When we got to Kildale, we were short on water and resorted to knocking on doors. This woman was very kind and impressed with our adventure.
Oh, that's cool. That's enjoyable.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
So
Thank
you're going
you.
all the way to like Brunswick then? Robin Hood's Bay? So where will you end up on this? Where's the end?
Filey.
Fine.
You're going to
Go
Filey?
Helmsley.
Yes.
Helmsley goes up to the Sutton Bank.
Yeah, yeah.
Lordstone's campsite. Lordstone's, you know that.
Oh, Lordstone's like over Carlton way, yeah.
So that's all the way around to Saltburn, Scarborough, Filey.
Started in Helmsley.
109 miles.
Yeah, I was going to say that's a good
Nice
way
big
in the
trek.
car, that, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a nice way though, it's a really nice on
Yeah,
the
we've
course.
had nice weather as well at the moment, so it's been good.
Saltburn's a lovely little place.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Cheers.
Chapter 5, Kildale to Saltburn.
Also, there is one here.
Nice. Chapter 5, Kildale to Saltburn.
The first prominent feature on this section of the trail is the imposing monument to Captain Cook on Easby Moor. The second feature is the isolated peak of Rosebery Topping. It may only be 1,050 feet, but with its dramatic profile it has the ability of drawing the gaze upwards. And suggests to a much greater eminence. There are marvellous views over Guisborough and the valley of the Tees. There the route heads towards the coast via Skelton, followed by a lovely walk down Skelton Beck and inso to Saltburn by the sea. You could have done. Freeway Rocky. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You lose. You lose. Rock, paper, scissors, I lose. Winner! Read us a nursery rhyme.
A nursery rhyme?
Yeah.
The Grand Old Duke of York. Oh, the Grand Old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. When they were up, and when they were down, and when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. The Grand Old Duke of York, read by Aaron Patel.
This is bridge NBW 239 Bankside Farm Road at Kildale. In the event of any road vehicle striking this bridge, please phone the rail authority on 01904 74 as quickly as possible. The safety of trains may be affected.
Nice.
No, that was my fault.
Yeah, I do apologise
no.
though. I didn't mean to bash you.
It's on me, my bad.
Quite bright.
So bright.
Hits you, doesn't it? You put the hand out. Oh, this is the monument.
From humble beginnings in Yorkshire to the edge of the known world, Captain James Cook redefined exploration. A master navigator, he charted unknown waters with precision and courage, opening distant lands to the eyes of Europe.
It's mad to think that's where we came from. It's so far away. No way. And we're going off to that.
Yeah.
There she is. It's only there, mate. Look at that.
So,
Day 3.
day 3, almost over.
Right then, lucky dip. Who's going first?
Right. One reds, one orange, 2 reds.
Alright.
You go first, you're here.
Alright. Oh! Lose my life. Orange. Oh, that's bad. On reaching the Gribdale Gate car park, turn right for a few yards and then left to commence an uphill climb. Right, up the stairs we go then. Ready for the stairs? You ready for the stairs?
I'm ready for the stairs.
Who's ready for the stairs?
We're all ready for the stairs.
Are we ready for the stairs?
I'm ready for the stairs.
Thank you. Get your layers on and stuff if you want to get layers on first. Done? Oh yeah, let me grab the rest of these pegs. You alright?
That didn't sound good.
No, it didn't, did it? Pork and wild garlic, honey roast sausages and hog roast sausages.
The path goes up to Rosebery Topping and then back on itself, so we left our bags and became much lighter and much faster.
God, I can't see because I'm too close to you! Oh, good job, guys. Oh. Nice.
Nice.
After you. We did, yeah.
Where's it go from?
Where does that come out to? Towards like Rosebery topping?
Oh, right.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
thought it would be.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it might do a circle round.
Nice. Good stuff. No.
Nestling at the edge of the North Yorkshire moors, Gisborough is a town with a long history. Its roots stretch back to Saxon times, but its later transition into a medieval market town would help keep it busy and bustling, and now home to nearly 20,000 people.
Brake lights. Oh, right. Oh, through the gate. Oh. Good job.
Good job.
Good stint.
Good shift.
Good shift. Good shift.
Wow.
Thank you for calling YHA Bogglehole Hostel. Hello, YHA Bogglehole.
Hiya, how you doing?
Hi, not bad, thank you.
And we're staying with you tomorrow. We were just wondering what time dinner basically closes, your food and restaurant, etc. See you then.
No worries.
Cheers.
Bye.
Hiya.
They get greedy,
Do they?
Yeah, they're all greedy. Yeah. We'll knock each other out at the road for a ginger biscuit.
To be fair, I do like a ginger biscuit. Do you come up here regularly?
No, now and again, but people feed them all the time, like so. Where you lads are heading for Saltburn?
Yes, and then just past the finish. But yeah, Saltburn and Skelton to get some food now. The co-op in town.
Co-op's open down the bottom of the stairs, yeah.
But yeah, all the way to Cleveland Way, so all the way to Filey over a couple of days.
Oh, you're going a couple of days, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you staying at Saltburn tonight, like?
Just past on the coast path somewhere. We've got tents and stuff. Yeah. New biscuit.
There's the ship in
the
there.
little one too.
No, that's Shetland. You're not getting out. Clear off.
That one's Mal. These funny, aren't they?
No, you'll behave yourselves.
Funny.
I used to get making from Saltburn to...
We are going to be on the sea later, mate. That's 4 miles away. Onwards. It's a little circle. Is this anything, or it's just a Old Saints Church, founded in the 12th century, rebuilt in Castle.
Skelton Castle, this one here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sweet.
I really like that front. The bricks, the colours, the plants.
Like this one.
I like that bird
Yeah,
bath.
it's nice, isn't it? Good job. Good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Oh, they got a ring doorbell. Good job, guys.
Windy Lodge.
Windy Lodge.
Cleveland Way. Do you want a Ginster slice each? Peppered steak?
Scotch eggs.
That's fine. Chuck it in there then. Nice. Wow. Wasn't it? Oh, I thought the dog was going to cream my camera.
Red heron.
After a few more minutes, the sea was really in our sights.
Oh, the sea. 56 miles to get here.
Yeah.
56 to get to the sea.
Waiting for that second wind to arrive on.
Yeah, hopefully so.
And that was it. The first half completed, and now for the coastal paths to come.